Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today we are going to discuss about floor space index in the major cities. Table of the contents. The content of this presentations is as follows. The background, computations of FSI, incentive FSI, versatile tool, constraint, conclusions, and green initiatives. Background, the meaning, the concept, the origin of the FAR. FSI is equal to floor space index. FAR is equal to floor area ratio. This term is particularly followed in the northern India. Definition: floor area is the ratio of the building's total built up area on all floors to the area of plot upon which it is built. See, let us see like this. This is the plot, this is the ground coverage, this is the FSI 1. Okay. FSI is a little concern where land extensive uses, that is a golf course, paramilitary forces campuses, educational campuses, holiday resorts, container yards, warehouse, manufacturing plants and industries, freight stations, outdoor studios, theme park. Particularly from container yard to outdoor studios, due to handling of heavy goods, availability of the large open spaces are required. Built form. The built form can be developed in either of the following density patterns: low rise, low density, low rise, high density, high rise, low density, high rise, and high density. Okay. Computation of FSI. Featured covered in the computation of the FSI are as follows. Without paying a premium, FSI exemption granted to the following, that is up to certain limits: building features, basement of cellars, balcony, flower bed, cupboards of limited sizes, stills used for parking where there are no side walls on 3 or more sides, architectural features. Okay, these are all exempted from the FSI computations. Amenities: parks, swimming pool, society office, fitness center, and clubhouses. Utilities: roads, electrical, gas supply, water, sewerage, communication, parking, staircase, watchman's booth, lifts, fire lifts, and fire staircases. Excess area is counted in FSI. Typical violations. This is generally we are noticing it once the OC has been obtained. Covering of balconies, terraces, flower beds, cupboards made part of appetite room, privatizing common passages, etc. Basements are misused, parking area used for offices and other services. Fungible FSI, that is Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai and SRA. Compensatory floor space index. Interplay of mutually interchangeable building features. Up to 35% FSI for balcony, staircases, terraces, cupboards, flower beds are availed as a fungible FSI in case of residential use on payment of premium to the authority. 20% of a fungible FSI can be availed for commercial and industrial development. Fungible FSI is usable as a regular FSI. Manipulation and violation in provision and use of free of FSI components avoided due to the concept of fungible FSI. Fungible FSI would pave way for better transparency, in the sector and also reduce corruption. FSI prescriptions. Residential is 1. Residential and commercial is 1, that is for plots area below 1000 square meter. 1.5 for plots above 1000 square meter. Commercial 1.5. Industrial 0.5 to 1. Assembly 1, that is 0 1 to 15 assembly for in RPS, that 0.05 crematoria and burial ground. Other uses in RPS 0 1 to 0.15. Airport and allied activities, maximum permissible FSI is 1. FSI in Gotans, village settlement is 0.75. Granting additional FSI on premium payment. IT parks, residential building, biotechnological industrial units, 100% additional FSI may be permitted, 50% on religious areas. Residential used to residential plus commercial. Plot size greater than 1000 square meter, leased earlier with a lower FSI in zones other than predominantly commercial zones, and provided further GDCR including parking are fulfilled, 50%. Star category residential hotels, 100% in zone other than RPZ. Change of land use commercial to residential plus commercial or vice versa. Minimum plot area 1000 square meter, deriving access from 15 meter or more wide road. FSI remain 1.5 in both the cases. Medical and educational government buildings 100%. Relaxation in marginal open spaces in FSI consumption. For smaller plots, hardship cases, FSI cannot be consumed fully due to old narrow plots, shapes and sizes. Airport influenced area, height restriction as per the obstacle limitations, map for area around airport, hence FSI cannot be fully consumed, low rise and high density. Incentive FSI, inducement and incentives with a purpose. Compensation towards land acquisition, road widening, scenic enhancement, promoting growth center activities like IT parks, business park, facilities like health, education, hotel, religious, commercial, etc. Land pooling, minus eligibility on gross plot area but incentive on net plot area. Heritage conservations. Inducement incentive with a purpose. Urban redevelopment, renewal, slum redevelopment. Cluster development for intensification, organized development with facilities. Promoting, subsidizing affordable housing. Special townships, rental housings. In lieu of sharing social, physical infrastructure, providing responsibility. Versatile tapering FSI towards periphery. Suitable for metropolitan area. Concept is to have variable FSI, higher FSI in the city center, and progressive reduction tapering for area away from it. It means higher densities in central business district and residential area adjacent to it, and tapering of densities as we move towards suburbs. Taller buildings near commercial area, transit places, and gradual tapering towards residential area. Global FSI. FSI reckoned on large land holding with variation across subsector, that is special townships. High FSI zones. contain areas are earmarked with a high FSI 3 to 5, leads to intensification of land utilization for precious and scarce urban land, prescribed advantage locations, FSI for dilapidated and unsafe building. Residents in smaller tenements apparently unable to afford repair, leading to dilapidation, face natural calamity and fire hazard. MGCM, that is Municipal Corporation Greater Mumbai provision for the redevelopment of reconstruction of old cess buildings. The government Maharashtra has already approved a floor space index of 3. MADA provision. The generated built up area with FSI 3 is shared by 3 interests, namely the existing tenement holder, MADA, and the cooperative housing society developer. CIDCO is contemplating 3 FSI for redevelopment of CIDCO constructed dilapidated buildings in Navi Mumbai through private participations. Urban renewal and redevelopment. Land use lost relevance with the time, rundown conditions, declining manufacturing activities, FSI for cluster development to regularize unauthorized construction. To cope up with the urban sprawl, cluster carved out of neighborhoods, comprehensive and integrated development to be proposed with a FSI 2.5 for organized development. FSI on rental building. Based on Maharashtra State Housing Policy 2007, Government of Maharashtra installed the rental housing scheme with the participation of the private sector. Act as a slum prevention measure. Make affordable housing stock available to economically weaker section and lower income group. 3 to 4 FSI targeted towards the new TDR FSI, that is the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. Development rights. Potential to be used on remaining plot on surrender of public purpose reservation land. Transfer of development rights. Transfer of development rights from one plot to another. Development rights certificate. TDR in terms of FSI is issued in form of DRC, which is transferable to any other person on payment. Generation zone and utilization zone. Defined for utilization of FSI by TDR. High FSI impact zone and collection of premium due to transit oriented development, that is TOD. Transit oriented development, intensive and comprehensive development around transit station, value of land in vicinity of the transit projects captured by the development agencies to finance the infrastructure projects, in vicinity of metro rail projects, impact fee, examples BRTS in Ahmedabad, Surat, metro in Delhi, Seawood Station commercial complex. JLL has undertaken study for metro corridor in Navi Mumbai. Marginal open spaces around the building for high space building. Up to 10 meter building height, minimum 3 meter open space. 10 to 25 meter, increase of 1 meter per every 3 meter increase height. 25 to 30 meter, minimum 10 meter. 30 meter, at the rate of 1 meter for 5 meter increases, maximum to 60 meter. Firefighting provision to be incorporated in high-rise building more than 24 meter height. Maximum travel distance from the northeast exit on floor to the staircase is 22.5 meter. 30 meter in case of commercial building. Provision of fire lift mandatory for buildings height more than 24 meter. Fire equipments as per IS code. Maximum height permissible in Navi Mumbai 90 meter. Lift compulsory for greater than 15 meter height. Second lift for a height more than 24 meter. Second stage must be height greater than 22 meter. in Mumbai for height greater than 70 meters. No limits to FSI. It depends upon certain constraints such as firefighting preparedness, construction technology, soil bearing capacity, earthquake proneness, airport meteorological department restriction. Considerations: loss of privacy, light and ventilation, doubly loaded corridor, that is a public housing, lack of parking and open spaces, require advanced firefighting equipment like a sky lift, smoker lift, etc. Strain on social and physical infrastructure built from dedicated to parking needs. FSI not the Pananka for all urbanization. Optimal FSI 0.3575 for a low intensity area, 0.75 for public assembly building, 1 for residential or smaller plot less than 500 square meter, 1.5 for residential plus commercial use, 2.5 for redevelopment cases, 3.5 for a business park, growth centers, commercial hubs, etc. 5 for hotels. Thank you. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be all the earliest. For further FSI calculations and everything, kindly refer the concerned municipal authority DC rules. This is only a hint of how the FSI has been computed. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link has been provided as follows. Thank you once again for watching this presentation.